week, and we've been working on body systems. We are going to talk about inhalants and how they affect your bodies. So, inhalants is Inhalants. Who can give me some ideas on, first I want a definition of what it is to inhale. Yes, to breathe something in. So now we're looking for examples of what some inhalants might be. Carson. Smoking is actually in its own category with tobacco. But it is something that you inhale, but it actually is in a separate category of tobacco. Mauricio? Breathing in oxygen is good for us. We're talking about things that are bad for us. Zach?
Cocaine.
Cocaine is, yes, but that's still not an inhalant. Inhalants are actually airborne things that you breathe in, more like fumes. Megan?
So like if you have a Sharpie and you start smelling it?
Yes, a Sharpie is one. Ernest?
Secondhand like 3.
Sure?
Secondhand smoking. Another one is like when you go to gas station. Anyway,
Guys, listen please.
I don't know how to describe it, but it's like there's like I don't know.
All right, let's let somebody else give it a try. Maybe they'll say what you're going for. Julie? Yep, gas. John? Carbon monoxide. Marin? Incense is actually not one of the list. Yeah, that's actually not an inhalant. It just can kind of make it harder for you to breathe. Sure. Highlighters aren't too bad. They don't really have that strong. They're not really considered that. Let's see. Julia. Right, that's kind of listed in the Sharpie area. Reagan, you have one? Yes, whiteout is one, definitely. Yes, Marlon. Okay, that's all right. Hang on. Arian. That is not an inhalant. All right, I'll take one more and that's it. All right, Vanessa.
Those things that you use to clean computers, those sprays.
Yes, actually, that is one. Those spray cans that are on computers. Hang on. One more. All right, Sierra. Listen up. Yes, spray cans. Okay. Yes. Yes, nail polish. Okay, hang on. All right, listen up. Okay. You guys are gonna listen up. I don't want to have to start writing names down. Okay, yesterday you guys were already getting rowdy. Thank you. Okay. So we listed a few things. We have Sharpies, gas, carbon monoxide, glue. Here's another one. Whiteout. And dust off. Dust off. And paint. Nail polish kind of can be in the paint period, right? Yes, John. Yes, listen up. Yes, John. No, that's what you're smelling. You're smelling a little bit of the chemical process that went into the rubber to making of the tire. But that's not something that's that big. Yes. We are going to talk about all the stuff it does to your body. So one of the things, did you remember what you were going to say earlier?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you smell alcohol?
Can you inhale alcohol?
Like you know when you
Smell like nothing in the aroma or the smell of alcohol is
I mean,
going to
like you
damage
know how
you.
you get like a backpack or something, and then
Oh, rubbing alcohol.
yeah.
Is that what you're thinking of that you use for cleaning? No, that's not one. Yes. That is a drug, but it's not something you inhale. Okay, hang on guys. We're going to move on, all right? I know you guys you're going to have lots of time. We're going to have more questions and a lot of things to go over. So, we're talking about breathing things then we are preventing our bodies from getting the oxygen we need. Okay? All right. So take out your notebooks, please. Science notebooks. Okay, you are going to write. This is page 18, your next available page, page 18. Title of the page is Inhalants. And we're going to have two idea starters here. The first one is, I know that, and you finish it off. And the second one is, I want to know. Give me 2 sentences for each one, what you know about inhalants, and then what you want to know or think you should know or would like to know. Hopefully we'll cover that today. Sentences for each heading. Okay, what's your question? These could be things you know from what we just talked about in the beginning of class, like you know what some of the items might be. And what you might want to know, if you don't know anything, say I don't really know anything about it, and I want to learn what it is, what it does to your body, all those sorts of things. Yes, all right. Disgrace, D-I-S, and then the word grace. Okay, so the page you got going to go in your notebook. Next blank page, fold the two halves together, short-term and long-term effects of inhalants. We're going to fold those two sides onto the inside. And take this onto your next available page. The top part should say, how do inhalants affect your body? And this is just a reference for you guys. We're going to go over all this stuff as we get through the class. We are. Yes! It's very short, so don't get too excited. Yes, this will still be part of page 18. You'll need your notebooks in a little bit. You don't put them away yet, but get that taping done. I'm going to give you another 15 seconds. Get a couple pieces of tape on it. 10 seconds. And then I want all the tape dispensers down. 5, 3, 2, 1, and now. Thank you. Okay, like I mentioned, these videos are very quick, they're very short, so please pay attention. There's 2. Alright, I'm waiting for taping to be done in the back and the front here. Okay, I need all eyes up front. Okay, ready? Oh, sorry. One thing.
I'm so proud of her. Hey, Dad. They said sniffing glue was no big deal. They lied. I know the truth about drugs. Drug-free world, don't